Loin Grills. Today we're going to do pork loin roast. We're going to smoke it in the smoker, and we'll go ahead and get started. So what we've done is let this sit out to rest for about a half hour, just to let it soften and come up to room temperature. Now we're going to season this with a rub. But first of all, we've not tried this before. Usually we put extra virgin olive oil on it. So this time we're going to put mustard on it. I'm going to rub down the mustard and see how this turns out. I guess it's supposed to have more of it. You won't taste the mustard, they say. And it's supposed to have sort of a nice nutty flavor to it. It looks kind of weird, but we'll flip this over. Okay, so now we have the mustard rubbed onto the pork loin. We're going to go ahead and put some Kinder's steak rub on this today. And we're going to go a little bit light, not too heavy duty. We're just going to get enough on it. I guess I'll turn it to the other side and get a better pour. And then we'll just kind of pat it in there. Oh, put a little in my hand and pat some on the sides. And just flip this around. Kind of want to get the rub around the sides too, so it covers some of that meat. Okay, now I'm going to flip this over. Rub on this side. Make sure we get that covered pretty well. Last time I did this, I put a little too much rub on it. It tasted really good. The meat was good, but it was a little crispier than I wanted it to be on the outside. Okay, so now we've got the mustard and the rub on this. We're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes while we turn on the smoker and let it come up to temperature. This pork roast is a real easy one to do in the smoker, and it doesn't take very much time. It only needs a couple ingredients: mustard, and any kind of rub that you want to choose, whatever you like. So you get it all rubbed down, and you put it in the smoker for an hour at 225. And then you raise the smoker temperature up to 300 for another 2 hours. And you want to watch for an internal temperature of about 150 degrees. And that'll take you to the end of your cook. Today is really cold outside. We're at about 39 degrees. Wintertime, you can do smoking any time of the year. It's just a little cooler right now. So this has come up to 225. We're going to go ahead and put the meat on. That's going to be on for about 1 hour, and then we're going to come back in an hour and check it and raise the temperature up. This way it'll give it a slow smoke in the very beginning. It'll collect all that smoke flavor and add it into the meat. Okay, this has been it for an hour at 225. I'm going to open this up and just put the temperature probe in it. Pretty good. It's really nice. Now we're gonna put the temperature probe in kind of in the thick part of the meat. And we're gonna temperature up to 300. And it'll steadily start to climb. We'll put that on, let it cook for another 2 hours. And then we'll come back and check it. It should be done. And it's been about an hour and 10 minutes, and it's already up to temperature. We're up at 156, so it's a little warm. We're going to go ahead and take this off. It'll cook sooner than we thought. Look at that. It's pretty good. Okay, that looks good. You see the smoke coming off with the steam anyway. So we're going to take this in the house and let it rest for 15 minutes. We'll just go ahead and cover it with the foil. Keep it nice and warm. This pork loin has been resting for just over 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and slice it up and see what we've got inside. Oh man. Okay, we're going to slice in another slice. Oh, it slices nice. Look at that juice coming out of there. Nice and tender. See that smoke ring around the edge? Let's just go ahead and try it. Hope it's not too hot. That is delicious. So, this is a great way to do a pork roast. 2 ingredients, 2 hours cook time. Awesome. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to. Now we're going to slice this up, serve it up, and enjoy it. See you next time on Loin Grills.